Is your digital transformation stuck? Don't worry, you're not alone and there's still time to turn things around. I'm Rob Llewellyn, and today we're going to talk about how to fix a struggling digital transformation and position your organization for success. Let's start with clarity. Plenty of digital transformations struggle because they lack a clear vision and measurable goals. If your organization doesn't know what success looks like, how can you achieve it? Take a step back and assess your transformation efforts. Look closely at what's working and what isn't, and where the gaps are. Define the outcomes you want, whether it's improving customer experiences, reducing costs, or enabling innovation, and then make them crystal clear. Digital transformation isn't just about technology. It's about people and really strong leadership, which is essential. Ask yourself, is your leadership team fully aligned and on board? Because transformation requires buy-in from the very top. Leaders need to champion the change, inspire confidence, and model the behaviors that they want to see. It's also about addressing the capability gaps that could be slowing you down. Do your teams have the skills and tools they need to execute the vision? Are your processes efficient and adaptable? Identify these gaps and then prioritize closing them with training, recruitment, or new technologies. Digital transformation really thrives in a culture of adaptability, collaboration, and innovation. If your team is resistant to change or siloed in their thinking, well, progress will stall. So foster a culture that really encourages experimentation and rewards innovation. Focus on the technologies that will truly enable your goals, not just the ones that are trending. Remember, technology alone isn't the solution. What matters is how you integrate that technology into your processes and use it to create real value. Break your transformation into manageable phases with clear milestones and regular progress checks. Celebrate your wins along the way to maintain momentum and address challenges quickly to stay on course. Transformation isn't a one-off project. It's a continuous journey that requires dedication and adaptability. Communicate progress regularly right across the organization to keep everyone aligned and motivated. Start by assessing your transformation, identifying issues and capability gaps, and take deliberate steps to close those gaps. Combine this with clarity, leadership, culture, and execution to overcome roadblocks and deliver measurable outcomes. So if you're ready to take the next step in improving your skills and transforming your organization, check out the resources linked below. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.